Hello everyone, myself Dr. Kanchan Sharma. I'm a qualified Ayurveda Gynaecologist continuously practicing from 10 years, and I really believe in yoga and holistic approach Ayurveda. So in this video, I am going to share a very good breathing technique. By following this technique, you can get rid of any kind of thyroid problems. Nowadays, people are suffering from thyroid problems, and doctor told them that you have to take one tablet for your whole life. You don't need to depend any kind of tablet, and really you can change this game by following only this technique and some lifestyle modification. So watch carefully video till the last and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So our breathing technique name is Ujjayi. Ujjayi means victory. Victory over thyroid problems, any kind of breathing problems if you have allergic condition. So this is really effective. Also increases your focus. Anyone can do this. Anyone can perform. But try to follow some rules. The number 1 rule is your stomach should be empty. The number 2 rule, that room should be ventilated. And number 3, try to wear loose clothes. Now let's come to the method. So sit in a very comfortable position and just close your eyes very slowly. Inhale and exhale, normal breathing. You have to inhale while constricted your pharynx, your neck area, and inhale and make a friction sound. Yes, like this. And now exhale. Relax. So you have to inhale with this friction sound from this area, this throat region. Here your thyroid gland is situated. So by this friction sound, this gland become activate. It is very good for your thyroid gland. Whether you have hypo or hyperthyroid, it actually regulates. Inhale, make a friction sound and exhale. And you can do this 5 times. You can repeat this 5 rounds 2 or 3 times. This is really helpful. You can perform at any time in the day. So I hope you like this video. Try to follow this video. See the results. Thanks for watching my video.